Continuing with our videos on super profit, right? Let's see a little bit of a variation. And it's actually the reverse of what we did in the previous question, where we were trying to find out super profits from the average profit. In this question, we're going to find the average profits when super profits are given, right? This video is brought to you by Arranger Academy. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking this link and stay updated on many more videos. Today we have more than 2,100 videos which are already uploaded and are available for watching. Let's look at the question. Sachin and Binny were sharing profits in the ratio of 4:3. They decided to admit Kunal into partnership for 1/7 share of the future profits. Goodwill for this purposes was valued at 3 times the average super profits, which were 4,50,000. So you're told that the goodwill was valued at 3 times the average super profits, right? So 3 times the average super profit, which were 4,50,000. Or in other words, 4,50,000 was 3 times the average super profit, or super profits were 450 divided by 3. The firm had assets worth rupees 25 lakh and liabilities worth rupees 10 lakh. The normal earning capacity of such firm is expected to be 10% per annum. Find the average profits or actual profits earned by the firm during the last 4 years. So let us look at how do we solve this. Now, before starting, if I have to tell you the average profits includes the normal profit and the super profit. What you have been asked is that you have to find out the average profits earned by the firm during the last 4 years, right? So average profits for 4 years is what I need to find out. But what I need to know is, first, how much is the average profit? If I know that, then I can find out for 4 years, right? So let's find out these two variables. Super profit you are given is equal to 4,50,000 for 3 years. Or in other words, the average super profit, ASP if I may call it, is equal to 4,50,000 divided by 3, or 1,50,000 per year, right? Second is the normal profit, right? Now, how do you calculate normal profit? Normal profit can be calculated if you see you are told that the assets are 25 lakh and liabilities is 10 lakh, which means that the capital invested into the firm is how much? It is equal to assets minus liabilities, right? Once I know the capital invested, you're not given the exact number, unlike the last question that we did. So we need to find out the capital invested by reducing the liabilities from the asset. The assets is 25 lakh, right? And the liabilities are 10 lakh. The normal earning capacity of such firm is 10%. So 25 lakh for this, 10 lakh for the liabilities. When I reduce it, I get 15 lakh as the capital invested, right? The normal expected profit or the normal profit is how much? It is 10% of capital invested, or 10% of 15 lakh, which is 1,50,000, right? So my super profit is 1,50,000. My normal profit is 1,50,000. How much is the average profit? Let me just change the color over here. So my average profit is 1,50,000, which is the normal profit, plus the super profit, which is again 1,50,000. Or in other words, my average profits are 3 lakh per annum, right? You need to find out the average profits and actual profits earned by the firm during the last 4 years. If the average profit for a year is 3 lakh, the actual profit for 4 years will be how much? It will be 4 times the average profit, or 4 times 3 lakh, which is 12 lakh, right? We've got the answer to both the questions which were raised for our consideration. I hope you had liked this video. If you want, you can subscribe to our channel over here, right? We're going to look at a few more questions on calculation of average profits.